Inside the pitch deck, we recommend not more than 20 pages. These are information that you need to have. And go back to the principle for the fundraising exercise, it's very much about the founders. So it's telling a story. The sequencing here is so what I have here is actually what you need to cover, but there is no fixed flow. It's very much a storytelling. How do you tell the story? So you sequence the sections according to how you tell it. There's no fixed way. But these are things that we want to. Okay, so a lot of people actually leave the founder's way at night, but I'm always interested to see why I'm doing this. What is the motivation? Of course, has already been too long with that. I think how your story and your co-founder's story come together in this. And a lot of times, actually, frankly, at this stage, these two are most important. Achievements and metrics, a lot of time could be imagined. And so you have to really balance that. And what we want to see, I'm not sure whether there's any hardware or tech companies here. For that group of company, what I want to see is actually LOIs. But for LOIs, I want to see paid LOIs.